Girlfriend Lady Trans Lovies, I am your Girlfriend Lady bringing you your hottest news. So if you're new in this channel, please do not forget to subscribe, hit the like button and also leave a comment below. The hotspot presenter Andile Ncube has quite a long list of beautiful women that he has dated. Well, at least the ones that you know. Andile Ncube is actually dating beautiful and classy Sibabatso Motibi. Although these two remain very private with their lives, but they are not about to shy away from loving out loud. They both have children from their previous relationships, and Andile Ncube has a beautiful baby daughter by the name of Gabriella. Well, guys, moving along. So Zenande has took it to a tough decision on cutting her own natural dreadlocks next year in 2020. She took it to Twitter and people had different views. So she basically cutting her dreadlocks off. Moving along, guys, Unathi Nkanyi opened up about her struggle with depression. Unathi has opened up about her struggle with depression in an interview that she did with the psychologist Father Usakiwo Nkanyi on My Truth TV. She opened up about myriad of aspects in her personal life, including mental health and depression in her own family. So Unathi Nkanyi, she stated that she had depression after her marriage didn't go the way that they actually planned it. So guys, that's all for now. I hope you enjoy and then please do not forget to subscribe and I'll see you next time. I'm out. Bye.
I knew I had to establish a routine because depression is smart. It's not going to announce itself. Hi, I'm here. It creeps in, you know. You sleep a lot more. You sabotage yourself a lot more. You consume substances that allow you to be dependent more. So I had to accept where I was in all those places and slowly regain my independence.